Hello folks, as I said, I will show you how to make this wax for wood impregnation. And we need old pan, linseed oil, or if you don't have a linseed oil, you can use sunflower oil, beeswax and rosin. Let's do this. First of all, add oil in your old pan. Here is around 115 milliliters. I will cut from this piece around 100 or a little bit more beeswax. For rosin, I will use medical alcohol to make disappear faster. You can bring it via pillars. Let's go to the kitchen. Here we have a pan with water, boiling water. We should put our pan with the oil inside because we should melt the wax into steam or everything will burn it. As you can see, that all wax now inside in oil. We should wait a few minutes and after we can add our rosin. Be careful, everything is very hot. As you can see, the wax is ready. Also folks, in the meanwhile our rosin has practically dissolved in our medical alcohol and we can add it in our mix. Okay. Well folks, when you can see your mix is ready, just turn off the fire. Come on, fire. Use towel and stay to cool. That's all, don't try to remove it. Okay, very carefully. Leave it half of hour and then carefully remove it from the main pan. Well folks, you can see after 40 minutes we have a turn from oil to thick mass. It's a very natural product because here we have oil, beeswax and rosin, and rosin made it from pine resin, as you know. Well, now we can check it on this few piece of wood, okay, starting from H3. You can see it's very nice. Okay, starting to check it. Again, use my finger and here we go. You can see. Oh. It's a pine wood. Again, my finger. Now we will use on axe handle. Also we get shiny effects. It smells very good, just for your information. It's very cool. Well folks, I hope you enjoyed this video and my information will be useful for you. Sorry for my little vocabulary of words, but I'm trying to improve it too. And also check my previous video, I uploaded it yesterday about push axe restoration. Okay, leave a comment what you think about that. Maybe you have some different recipe, more good. And okay, stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.